Here is the TM101. This is what it contains. One user manual and one main machine. You can put them together. Okay. Now let's power on. And this is the hole. Okay, now let's put the batteries in. Please note that the battery are not included in this package. You need to buy it by yourself. It's 3A battery. And this is the turn on button. Now when you don't use it, please turn it off. Now we turn it on and it will flash. And turn on this one. Okay. And this is the remote control. Now we can set the answer time first. This is the menu button, and this is the back, and this is the forward, and this is the backward. Then we press again. This is the answer time, 25 seconds, and we can change it to 20. Then press the menu again. You can change the number by press the menu, but if you don't change it, and that's it, and just back. Then we can pair the call button with the display. It's F2. Then let's try number 1. When the display is flashing, and we just press the call button until the blue light shines. Okay, we can pair another one, and let me choose number 2. Okay, here it is. Press and hold the call button. Okay, now it's paired. Then pair the remote control. Press menu again and go to F2 as well. And press again. Change the number to 00. Then press any key on the remote control. And then it shows ding dong. It means it is successfully paired. We can change it to 5. This is the bus time that people can press the call button. Now we can set the answer mode. F4. Number 1 is normal mode. Number 2 is voice mode. Number 3 is elimination mode. Let's try number 1 first. Now we can begin. Press start.
Ready, go. Please enter on the flight station.
Now we can see that number 1 successfully.
Set enter Russian top. Set enter game.
Now let's try number 2. Okay. Press start.
3, 2, 1. Ready, go. Please enter on the 2 station.
There will be 3 seconds and people can press the call button and it will show the one which successfully.
Set enter Russian. Set enter game mode.
Now we can try the third mode.
3, 2, 1. Ready, go. Please enter on the flight station.
Now we can see that number 1 is successfully. If you don't use it, please don't forget to remove the battery and turn off the call button. Okay, that's it. Thank you.